How to pack for study abroad. Are you gearing up for a study abroad adventure and wondering how to pack effectively? Packing for this exciting journey requires some thoughtful planning. Let's break it down step by step to ensure you have everything you need for both academics and daily life while keeping your luggage manageable. First, take a moment to understand your program and destination. Think about how long you will be staying, the climate, and whether you will have a stable home base or be moving around frequently. For instance, if you are going for a semester with a fixed location, you can pack a bit more. However, if your program involves a lot of travel, it is best to pack lighter and more portable items. Next, choose your luggage wisely. Make sure your suitcase or backpack fits airline size restrictions. If you will be moving between locations often, a sturdy backpack may be the best option. If you have a stable home base, a suitcase can work well. Now let's talk about important documents and travel essentials. Always bring your passport, visa if required, student identification, travel insurance, and vaccination cards. It is also a good idea to have copies of these documents. A money belt or pouch can help keep your valuables secure. Don't forget chargers, international plug adapters, and a reusable water bottle. When it comes to clothing, pack versatile and comfortable items suitable for the local weather and culture. Think about everyday wear like t-shirts, long-sleeve shirts, pants, shorts, skirts, and dresses. Layering is key, so include sweaters or cardigans for cooler days. A rain jacket or waterproof jacket is also essential, along with comfortable walking shoes and sandals. Make sure to pack enough undergarments and socks for each day, and consider swimwear if you will need it. For toiletries and personal care, travel-sized items are your best bet. Bring essentials like a toothbrush, toothpaste, deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, and any skincare products you regularly use. If you take prescription medications, pack those along with copies of your prescriptions. Don't forget menstrual products, sunscreen, lip balm, and any other personal hygiene items you may need. Electronics are also important. Bring your cell phone, laptop, or tablet and chargers. Headphones or earbuds can be handy, and if you love photography, consider bringing a camera. Just be sure to check the voltage compatibility of your devices before packing. Academic supplies should not be overlooked. Pack any required study materials, notebooks, pens, and a journal. A travel guide or language learning book can also be helpful as you adjust to your new environment. As you pack, think about miscellaneous items that can make your trip easier. A small first aid kit, snacks, earplugs, and a mask, and a quick-drying travel towel can all be useful. An extra tote or day bag is great for daily outings. Finally, remember to pack smart and light. Avoid bringing expensive or unnecessary items that could be lost or stolen. Aim for one checked bag and one carry-on if possible, leaving space for souvenirs or items you may purchase abroad. Be mindful of cultural differences as well. Research local customs and dress codes, and pack modest clothing if required. This will help you fit in and show respect for the culture you are entering. By following these steps, you can pack efficiently for your study abroad experience. This thoughtful approach will support your academic success and personal well-being while you adapt to a new environment. Happy packing!